client here in Cullaville, they built a raised patio area, and they needed a balustrade going around the patio to serve really two purposes. One, for a safety aspect, that side there's a fair wee drop over there, so that was one aspect that they needed to fill. The other one was for a windbreak. So we came out, we decided that the best option for here would be the stainless steel post and the glass infill panels. It provides great shelter, and it also doesn't obstruct the view of the countryside around you here. So the way this balustrade was fitted, we came out, met with the client, we discussed where he wanted to fit the posts, and we marked them. We actually core down into the wall maybe 7 to 8 inches. The post sits down into the wall then, and it be resined in place, and then after that it's just a matter of coming and fitting the glass infill panels. So if you have a patio area and you feel like you need a balustrade around it, either for safety or for a windbreak, contact us at info@mournecraft.com.